Well, hello there. Welcome back once again to My World 67. This is G-Man. And just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I got home earlier this evening and I had this waiting for me. And I began to open it up and I thought I'd stop and do a quick video just to document it. I bought this on eBay. This is a 1829 and Marx engine. Get rid of that. I paid all of, I think, $17.50 for it. Now, hope you can see it real good there. It's really dirty. It's broken right here on this corner. You can see that or not. It looks like, a little bit like, there's some warpage where it had gotten hot. Right in this area, right here. I don't know whether you can see that or not. There's no lens. Front cowling is broken off. It has all its gearing. That's rare for one that looks like it's in the condition this is in. It has its front truck. Usually they're missing the front truck or the front and rear truck. When they're in a little better condition, as far as looks is concerned, they're usually missing the back truck. So this is mostly complete, actually. Like I see, a little warping there, broken here. But anyway, I bought it for parts. And what I plan to do with this is try to see if I can retrofit this into a 994 shell. I don't know if anybody's ever done that before or not. I don't know whether I can do it or not. But that's what I got it for. And the 1829 is one of my favorite engines. It has the same motor in it as a 333. The same basic configuration. They're powerhouses. The 1829 is the largest plastic engine that Marx made, and it's just as big or almost as big as the 994. Now the 994 might be just a little bit longer, maybe, but these things are really heavy. It's almost as heavy as a cast iron engine, and it's not the body shell because it's plastic. It's the motor itself. I believe this one is a smoker. Looks like it. Yep, it's a smoker. There's the flapper down there that makes it puff as the wheels drive. Well, let me move it out of the way a second and set it right there. Get the old trusty portable track out. Call this my desk track tester. I built this to work here at my desk. We went through a couple of floods here, and so my train room, shop area was flooded. This last time worse than it was the first time. First time it didn't get a whole lot of water in it, maybe 2 or 3 inches. Maybe. We're going to this body's loose on this shell too, by the way. I don't know what's going on there. But we're going to go ahead and take a little penetrating oil and try to get some good lubrication down in there on the axles and the bearings. And spray a little lubricating oil on the shaft. On the gear side, make sure we get some down in there. Oh yeah. It's pretty stiff. Look at how dirty it is. Really dirty. This has not been cared for in many years. There it goes. It's getting freer even as I turn it. It was a little stiff. It really wasn't that hard compared to some that you use both thumbs or you practically have to pry on to get them to run, to move. I'm going to put a little bit on his valve gear too, because those valve gears, they get dry. We want everything to be well lubricated, especially where you've got these eccentric cranks and you've got so many moving parts to deal with. And we'll go back later, we'll put a little oil on there. Now, looking at these wheels, they're really dirty too, but they're, well, that one's not. I was going to say they're all free, but that one wasn't. So we'll put a little bit on that too. Now I don't know whether this is going to make contact on the track or not, because these wheels are just really, really dirty, and I probably should take this eraser and try to clean them up a little bit before. Wow, look at that. That's just one place on one wheel. If I do all 6 wheels, wow. Man, the eraser's not going to cut it. I need my trusty flat screwdriver. That stuff's just really caked on there. I didn't want to spend a lot of time with this. Just wanted to show you the engine itself, do the unboxing, clean it up a little bit and test it and see if it runs. Now this engine has no doubt gotten hot. When you look at this contact is black right here. And surprisingly enough, the condition of the engine, and you look at this contact, except for a very slight crease in it right there and right there from the wear of being run, it doesn't really look like this engine's been ran that much. The guy I bought it from said he didn't know whether it ran or not. He bought it at an estate sale. Okay. Looks like I got a little overspray over at WD over on here, and it's cleaning that wheel up all by itself. Okay. Let's try it and see what happens. I couldn't really tell whether it has a bulb in it or not, because this has the closed bottom on it. There's an extra weight right there. It hums, trying to move. Here it goes. With the E unit stuck on it. it's really, points need cleaned on it. Have to take the motor down and just really go through it. Go through that E-unit. But we know it will run. Alright, so whether we actually repair it, fix it up, bring it back to life the way it should be, or whether we just scrap it out and use the motor and go ahead and do that 994 project, I don't know. But I'll probably work on this, if I can, a little more this evening and tomorrow, and then if I can, I'll do another video and we'll take a look and see how it goes. Well, thanks for watching. That's all I have for you this evening. This is G-Man, Marx 1829. Like I said, I don't know what we're going to do with it for sure. I bought it 4 parts, and it looks like maybe that just might be what it becomes, a part engine. Who knows? Anyway, have happy railroading time. This is G-Man. Happy rails to you. Bye-bye.